Welcome to a new monthly series. Every single month, I am going to release a complete workout and nutrition guide for you to follow for the next month, completely free. It will appear every single month. At the end of the month, I'll start. Oh shit, nearly fell. That was good. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you to the whiteboard. There's going to be a downloadable guide in PDF as well for you. Again, completely free. And I will walk through everything that's involved with that. Also, if you want the downloadable guide, comment guide below and I will send you over the workout plan and meal plan so you can print them off as well. This is how the workouts are going to look. As I said, the actual ins and outs of everything in the workout is going to be laid out in downloadable PDF. So comment guide below or drop me a message over on social media with the word guide and I'll send you over the access to that. So, fat loss for good at home workouts. How does this start? So we're going to break it down into 4 different workouts. 4 workouts throughout the week. They're going to take 30 to 40 minutes. They shouldn't take hours on end. They are intense, hard hitting and effective. And we use something called metabolic activation training so that you get a lot of work done in a very short space of time. So day 1, going to be chest and arms. Day 2, going to be metabolic activation legs. Day 3, hard hitting shoulders and back. And day 4, full body blitz. So, equipment needed, going to be bands. Of course, most of the world is still locked down at the moment. If you're not, lucky for you. But here in Scotland and the UK, we certainly still are, and probably will be for another few weeks at least. So, this is going to be the outline of how it works. It's going to be 4 days, hard hitting, effective and efficient. That is the goal here. The goal is to get a lot of work done in a short space of time. Let's get into the mechanics of the exercises. Oh, nearly fell over there. Again, second time in the video. So, this is how the workouts are going to look again. Get the downloadable PDF to see how you actually perform all these sets, but they are all going to be performed for 2 minutes. This is called metabolic activation training. You perform each exercise for 2 minutes. If you need 10 seconds rest, then take 10 seconds and go again. You set the timer. So, chest and arms, press ups, band flies, curls, one arm fly, tricep extension, hammer curl. Perform each of these for 2 minutes and then you're resting and going again with a minute to minute and a half rest between exercises. Again, all laid out for you in the PDF. Split squats, band squats, step ups, burpees and band leg press. Again, leg day, intense 2 minute sets again. The goal with these 2 minute sets is you can get a lot of work done in a short space of time. It means because you do not have the load, you're pushing yourself to failure in a short space of time. You can still build muscle and stimulate muscle protein synthesis and growth, which is key for fat loss as well, by all means. And this is the Fat Loss Forever Home workout series, of course, so that's going to be beneficial. These are all with bands, so front raise, side raise, upright row, shoulder press, a bent over row and a chin up. You don't do a chin up, but you can do a pull down if necessary. If you don't have access to do something, a chin up. Again, perform for 2 minutes at a time, absolutely key. Number 4, full body blitz, squat jump, decline push up, high row, band curl, tricep dip. Do that framework 4 days a week, you will get results 100% performed with a simple set of bands that you can get for 20 quid on Amazon. I will maybe link a set of bands below that are on Amazon if I remember, hopefully I will. I will link some bands below and we can go from there. But I am now going to dive into the nutrition part of this. Again, you will get a fully kind of laid out meal plan for you inside the PDF. So make sure and download the PDF. Again, it's completely free, just type guide below and I'll send you over the details. Let's get into the nutrition. So let's look at the nutrition aspect of this as well. So the key is going to be flexible nutrition. That means that there is no such thing as a fattening food, a good food or a bad food. Food is simply fuel. If you eat too much, you'll get fat. Simple. Making better choices with your food is essential, so focusing on single ingredient foods, again, should be probably the vast majority of your diet. And again, that's how all the recipes and things like that on this channel are made as well. They're made from scratch. So the key to flexible nutrition is also using a high protein approach. No 2 diets have been shown to be superior to another, or no one diet has been shown to be superior to another when calories and protein are matched. This means that all you have to do to get results in a fat loss phase, or to get results for life, is find an approach that you enjoy and also ensure you're getting adequate protein. That is the one factor that you need to think about in that. Yes, it's essential fats as well, but generally they take care of yourself. So, where is your starting point when it comes to fat loss? Take your body weight in pounds. So if you're 150 pounds, times that by 12, that's your starting point when it comes to calories. So if I'm 150 pounds, 150 times 12 is like 1800-ish, I think. I think it's 1800. Hopefully it is. Quick maths. But that's your starting point in calories. And if you're 100, in terms of protein, you should be looking at that, I should say, start with roughly 1 gram per pound. Now there's a range, you can, like 0.7 to 1.2 is fine. I tend to go slightly higher personally, like 1.5, but I enjoy eating high protein. Protein should be roughly 1 gram per pound of body weight. So that is 150 grams. So your starting point for fat loss would be, if you were 150 pounds, 1800 calories with 150 grams of protein. You then just mould those numbers to suit yourself. Now, there will be a complete template in the downloadable guide. So if you want the downloadable PDF, all of this will be in the plan for you. That will all be written out, it will all be there, it will be visual for you. There will also be a sample meal plan in there as well. Now, it will be a template, but you can then just adjust the quantities and the serving sizes to suit yourself. So I think it's a 2000 calorie template to start. If you do these totals, you need 2200 calories, just increase the serving size by 10%. Fine, you're sorted. Everything across the board will be okay. The food choices are there. There are options available. If you want to swap out any of the meals in the plan, fine. Go to the recipe playlist in this YouTube channel and you will see dozens of recipes that you can swap in and out. It doesn't matter too much if you swap one for another. You do not need to get massively granular. When you're starting a fat loss process, just starting to make some good choices will be more than enough to push, to move you forward. Further down the line, when progress is slowing down and you start hitting plateaus, yes, you will probably need to get a bit more accountable, more accurate with your tracking. But if you're just starting out, do this and that will get the ball rolling. That is everything on the nutrition side. Again, everything will be covered in the guide. Go and download it for free. Just comment guide below or drop me a message on Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you see me. And I will send you across this guide as well. That will have all the workouts with instructional videos in there as well. These are up there on the channel, but they're unlisted for clients only. So if you want the instructional workouts, if you want everything laid out in a plan, just comment guide and I'll send it across.